Good day, viewers. You're welcome to my channel. Field to Mouth. Field to Mouth. It's a channel where we prepare food taken from our farms and prepare for consumption, for human consumption. Today, I'm going to prepare for you beans and rice jollof with fried dodo and boiled egg. On my cooker, I have a pot of water and I'm adding my already prepared beans, already well cooked beans. Into the beans that has been cooked, I'm cooking for a family of 2, just for 4 people. I will add 3 thin cups of rice. You can see me washing the rice into my already cooked beans. Okay, I will allow it to sit on the cooker. I'm stirring it. You can see me stirring it with the already cooked beans. I will allow it to stay on the cooker for about 15 minutes. And I'll be adding water little by little. You can see me stirring it. I'm going to allow it to cook for 15 minutes. I'm going to allow it to cook for 15 minutes. I'll cover the pots and I'll prepare it in low heat. I'll add a little water a little by little until it is well cooked. After the beans and the rice is cooked, I will add my already prepared pepper sauce with tomato. You can see the pepper sauce with the tomato. I will turn it properly. This is a balanced diet. I'll make sure that the pepper is more than enough for it to cook properly. Then I will turn it. And put a little oil so that it can show the red color. I'm preparing it with red oil. You can see me stirring the beans with the cooked rice as well as the pepper sauce. I will allow it to stay on the cooker for 10 minutes. Then I will add my seasoning. You can see me adding the seasoning. I will add pepper. I will add salt to taste. That is the salt that I'm adding. I will add my seasoning. Yeah, you can see it. That's the seasoning that I'm adding to it. Until you already cooked beans and jollof rice. And it is properly cooked, I will turn it. Properly so that the salt and the seasoning is not one-sided. I will allow it to cook properly. You can see it is very colorful. It is very, very colorful. You can see me turning it so that it is thoroughly mixed, so that the beans and the rice is thoroughly mixed. I'm adding another sauce, another seasoning. You can see me turning it so that it is properly dispersed. Yes, my beans and rice jollof is ready. Very well cooked, ready for a family of 4 people. Yeah, you can see it. This is very good. You can eat it in the morning, you can serve it in the evening. It is a source of protein as well as carbohydrate. Yes, my beans and rice jollof is cooked. I'm going to serve it into a dish. I'm going to serve it into a white dish. Look at me, I'm serving it. My ready cooked rice and beans jollof. I'm going to serve it. I'm serving it now. Yeah. This is for a family of 4 people. I'm serving it. I'm serving the rice and beans jollof. Red, very red, very, very delicious. Very, very delicious. It's very good for little children from ages 2 and above. You can see me. I'm adding my cooked egg. I'm adding my cooked egg so that it is balanced. This contains not only carbohydrates, it has protein, contains fats and oil, mineral salts, as well as vitamin. This is a healthy dish, healthy recipe, healthy recipe, healthy recipe for both young and old. For both young and old. You can try it in your next meal. You can try it in your next meal. You can try it. I'm also adding fried dodo. I'm adding fried dodo. This is very good to build. Yeah. Rice and beans jollof with fried dodo and egg. Very good for young and old. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.